You have been asked to make a presentation on deforestation, and suddenly you have this huge task: figuring out what to include, researching properly, structuring your slides, and then designing them. And just when you think you are done, the slides still feel basic or not good enough to submit. Let's fix that in minutes with SlidesAI. Open Google Slides, launch SlidesAI extension, click on Generate Slides. This opens a dialog box. First, we will enter our topic, deforestation. Click Continue. Now, we can guide SlidesAI a bit. So choose presentation type. I'm going to choose the presentation type as student project. Then the audience will be classmates, and the tone of voice will be informative. There's also an optional section to give extra instructions, like what key points to cover, what tone to follow, or what kind of images to include. I will leave it blank for now, but you can totally customize it. Next, it asks, how are you going to present this? I'm choosing presenting live because it's for a class presentation. You can also select how long you plan to present. SlidesAI adjusts the structure accordingly. It now generates a slide-by-slide outline with slide titles and descriptions. You can edit anything here, add a new slide, rename sections, or give fresh instructions. Or if you are not happy, click Regenerate to get a new outline altogether. And if you missed something earlier, just click Edit Topic and Settings to adjust it. Now comes the fun part, picking a theme. Click Preview to see how each one looks. Once you find something clean and relevant, select it. You also get options to choose what kind of imagery you want and upload a logo if you need it. Click Generate. SlidesAI now creates your full presentation based on all these inputs. Here's the complete presentation: intro, key points, and even conclusion, all built for you. On the right-hand sidebar, you will see Edit Slides with SlidesAI, a super useful toolset. You can change the layout for a single slide, rephrase, shorten, lengthen, or even translate any text. So instead of spending hours researching and formatting, this gives you a complete editable deck in minutes. So you can see SlidesAI has created a presentation on deforestation without spending hours researching and formatting. If this helped, like and subscribe for more smart tutorials. Try using SlidesAI in Google Slides and PowerPoint.